Welcome to Unlocking the Stars. Hello, fellow Ugandans and friends from near and far. Today, we gather to celebrate our nation's resilience, unity, and the spirit of independence. As we reflect our journey, let us honor the rich tapestry of our culture and stars that guide us toward a bright future. Join me in this poetic tribute to Uganda, the pearl of Africa. Uganda, our heavenly nation. Under the skies of October's grace, Uganda, our homeland, takes its place. From dawn of independence bright, we have risen to shine in Africa's light. Guided by forces heavenly and strong, each step in our journey we have marched along. Our people united, standing as one under the stars, our stories began. As a mankind defender, I vow to protect our rich land from the Rwenzori peaks to Victoria's shores. Uganda's strength forever endures, because in the cosmic dance of stars above, our nation thrives in peace and love, with unity, pride and courage true. Uganda's future shines brighter as we conclude this celebration of Uganda's independence. May we continue to stand united, guided by love, hope and the wisdom of the cosmos. Together we shall forge a path of peace and prosperity for generations to come. What a new beginning. Happy Independence Day, Uganda.